In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a very powerful tool because it's taken my company's sales to the next level, and then I've helped implemented this in enterprise level accounts. It's a sales engagement tool that does cold outreach through LinkedIn, email, SMS, and a phone dialer. And it has over 600 million data points inside of their prospect finder. So I'm going to be doing a 2-part demo of this platform and then helping you actually do your whole onboarding if you choose to make your life a whole lot easier when it comes to cold outreach. Let's get into it. Pricing. So the difference between these plans come with the level of inclusions that you have in the platform. So basic being everything that you see in the platform minus AI, the Buzz dialer, so for cold calling outreach, and the SMS. So if the AI is important to your marketing strategy, the growth plan would make the most sense for you. If you have cold calling and you want to be able to do cold outreach through SMS, scale is going to be your best friend. If you do a lot of email outreach and you want to have unlimited data enrichment for your sales team, unlimited is amazing because you have a database of over 600 million contacts inside Buzz. So number one, if you've never done a cold outreach campaign before, the easiest way to get started at Buzz is to leverage the Magic campaign. And every single subscription has this campaign and this feature. So even if you're on the basic, you're able to leverage this AI feature, which is super powerful. So if I was to create a campaign and I wanted to do email and LinkedIn, the platform is going to ask you who I help, in what industry. From there, it's going to ask you to add in some case studies. And then it's going to take around 2 to 5 minutes. The AI is going to populate a simple campaign and it's going to give you a really good bone structure to then think about your ICP that you're targeting, your ideal customer profile. And then you really want to niche your copy down a little bit further and get a little bit more granular with your cold outreach strategy. So today I'm going to give you a basic smart campaign. And the reason why I like to show these campaigns is I have the most success with this. But once you leverage a smart campaign, you see the ability of really what this platform can do for you. So when we're wanting to import data through Buzz, there's a couple of ways that we can do that. And number one being LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you've never used this, go to my LinkedIn Sales Navigator playlist and it's going to walk you step by step through how to actually get the most out of LinkedIn Sales Navigator. If you have never had this subscription, send me a comment and actually tag your LinkedIn profile, and I will send you a 2-month free trial of LinkedIn. It only works if you've never had this subscription in the last 12 months, I believe. Otherwise, you can get a 30-day free trial. And so once we've actually curated our list through LinkedIn Sales Navigator, so let's say that we're targeting tech CEOs in companies that has an employee headcount of 11 to 20, and only in Phoenix, Arizona do I want to target these decision makers. So then once I've created that list and I've gotten that list down to 2.5K, I then copy that URL and paste it in here. Other ways that we can pull through data through Buzz is a post on LinkedIn. An event or a group is highly powerful for cold outreach because it gives you the ability to avoid sending a connection request. From here, let's just create a really quick campaign. And so I'm going to start off by sending a connection request and sending a message. Super cool, powerful things. We can then turn on AI, which means that every time this copy goes out, so I need to write in my copy, and that copy is a prompt for ChatGPT. And then the AI will then go onto that person's page, their LinkedIn profile, and actually create a customized icebreaker. And the reason why this is so powerful is because you want to have an extra layer of personalization to build rapport quickly. LinkedIn only works if you are able to actually build rapport and trust to actually get on a call or have that conversion through cold outreach. I want to stop you right there. Have you subscribed to our channel? Have you given me a thumbs up? Have you let me know how I can support you in my next YouTube video in order to help your business, your personal life, whatever you need? Comment it below. Back to the video. I also say that no one should trust AI, especially if you've never used it before and you're still figuring out your prompt system, because you cannot just leave this on with no message in the actual box. It won't be targeted or niched. The AI can't read your mind. So I say to my clients to turn on this required approval step. What this means that it comes up in your dashboard with an approve, deny, or edit. So you can make sure that your copy, the AI understands the prompts that you're asking it to do. The next thing that I love, I use this all the time, is actually a Buzz video. So what that means is you're going to see double of me. You're welcome. You get the ability to actually scroll down someone's LinkedIn profile, create a 15-second video. In this 15-second video, you're going to be speaking directly to your ICP around their pain points, how to build rapport, what actually is happening within your industry, how you would love to be able to provide value. You're not going to just shove your service, solution, product. You don't want to sound like a cheesy salesman. That is not the goal of LinkedIn. That's not how you build an actually engaged cold outreach strategy. So with this, once I send this video, they're going to see their LinkedIn profile in the background, which means they're going to think that you've actually taken the time to create a customized video just for them. Very powerful if used correctly. You remember how I said enriching a profile is something that we love to do here at Buzz? You're going to see this data enrichment down here. Once I drag this out, it gives me the ability to then send an email to a verified email address. We don't have everyone's data. Like, I have noticed that we have a really nice amount on this platform. But same thing in an email. I can have my Buzz video attached. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. In part 2, we're going to be discovering the rest of the Buzz.ai platform. See you there.